What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be replacing the alternator because on the last video it stopped charging on us. I didn't go buy a new one, but I do have a couple spare alternators. Here's one. Then I got another one here, which is brand new. So we're going to go ahead and use this one. So let's get to work. Alright guys, so we took the alternator out, so now it's time to switch the pulley, the backing plate, and the fan onto the new one. Alright guys, so we got everything on the alternator, so let's go ahead and throw it back in the fan shroud. Alright guys, so here's the new alternator all installed. Hopefully this one works since I've had this one laying around, but it's a brand new one, so I don't expect any issues from it. So let's go ahead, start it, and see if it works. The blue LED light wasn't turning off for the alternator, so what I did is I installed these LED diodes for the entire set of LED lights up there, and I added this halogen bulb instead of the LED light. So now it's actually charging. Here, I'm going to show you guys right now. see the halogen is on. Got rid of the LED, and this is just my two-step light. So now we're charging. I mean, putting the halogen light worked, you know, just like any other stock Volkswagen. All right. So did we need to change the alternator? Probably not, but I still needed to remove this because it's going to go on my new motor that's currently being built. So a lot of this stuff's not going to go on the new motor, and I really want the cool black one on the new motor. So that's going to be it. I'm going to put all this stuff back together. I'm going to clean everything up in the dash, or behind the dash, and that's going to be it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.